I'm sure you know how time-consuming it can be to create high-quality written content from your videos. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you an incredible AI tool that converts your YouTube videos into fully formatted SEO-optimized blog posts in just one click. That's right, no tedious transcription or manual formatting. This AI tool does it all for you, saving you countless hours of work. You'll be amazed at how easy and efficient it is. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Link is in the description. Once you're ready, click on the register button. You'll be prompted with a register page, register, and then you'll be taken to the dashboard. On the left hand side, you will see all these menu buttons. So in overview, you will be able to find how many blogs you have created, your available credits. So I've got 375 credits. Out of 375 credits, you can create 75 blog posts and then $0 earnings. So this is affiliate commissions. So this is when you create a blog post with Blogify.ai, they help you to add affiliate links. In my opinion, I think they are adding their own Blogify.ai affiliate links. So when you get a commission from those links, and then you can go to my wallet and request a withdrawal. And this is some of the basic activities. This is 4 blog posts that I've created from my videos. And then here it is blogs activity. So this is analytics. How many clicks per device, click ratio, which countries the clicks came from and clicked from this thing. Now in blogs, you will find that I've created these 4 blogs. I will show you a live working of this tool. I will take one of my videos and I'm going to convert it into a blog post. And then I have another tool that I will show you, which creates SEO-optimized blogs. It is already SEO-optimized, but it will help you out more. And both are available on lifetime deal, so that's good. Now next we have analytics. Analytics, this I already showed you. Total clicks, clicks per device, clicks from, most clicked, and click ratio. And then my wallet, if you get any commission from the affiliate links, you will see them here, and this is minimum $100 withdrawal, so you can then request a withdrawal. And this is subscription, so these are all lifetime subscriptions that they have. Then this is settings. You can add your own image, profile picture, global preference, interests. This is connect blogs. So if you have a blog on wordpress.org, your own blog somewhere hosted, or if you have a wordpress.com blog, Blogger, blog, or Medium blog, you can connect them over here so you can use it in Blogify.ai. You also got Zapier and MailChimp. Then there is connect social accounts. So this is Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Then we go to users. I have one user connected. You can invite someone else as well. So let's say you want another manager who want to write all these blog posts or convert videos to blogs for you instead of you doing it. You can invite them over here and give them a role. Currently only admin is available. More roles are coming soon. So they currently have 2 add-ons available, which is YouTube Connect, and there is writing snippets. So YouTube Connect, this is if you want to have your YouTube channel connected with Blogify.ai so that you do not have to keep going to YouTube and taking those URL and putting it over here to make your blog posts out of videos. So instead of that, you can just connect with your YouTube channel and you can import 30 videos at a time from your YouTube channel. And then there's YouTube Connect Pro. I'm not sure what it really is, but I think you can have video titles, you can create video title descriptions, generate chapters, thumbnails, tags, and a lot more. So next we have writing snippets, 50 plus writing snippets by simply entering prompts or keywords. This I think is like an AI writer. So this is an AI writer inbuilt inside Blogify.ai. So you do not need another AI writer. So this is an add-on. It's not the initial function of Blogify.ai. That's why they added it as an add-on. Same goes for YouTube Connect. But in lifetime deal, they do have an option to get that deal where you would have these add-ons available as well for lifetime. And these are all the upcoming features that they have. They've already made a significant progress from version 1 to version 4. And now they're going to be coming out with a version 5, which is to be announced. In this, they have all of these. They want to become full, complete blogging platform. So Blogify publication, this thing. Affiliate expansion is there, personalized tone, and all of these, you can read them. Now let's go to blogs. These are the 4 blogs that I've created. If you click on this, create a new blog, you will be able to create a new blog from here. So video, audio, URL. I'm going to paste in that video that I just made recently, this create cool email signatures within seconds, and let's go back here and paste it. I was going to validate the URL. The URL is okay. Next we have got blog settings. So blog size, do you want it to be small or medium or large? I would always select medium and block tone. So how you want the writing style. Do you want it to be engaging, storytelling, educational, news? I like to use professional, but you can also use engaging if your writing style is that. Then there is media language. What language is your video in? Currently my video is in English, so I'm going to select global English, and blog language should be in English as well. You can change it to something else. These are all the languages that they currently have available in Blogify.ai. Then you got the blog generation mode. This is auto pilot and this is Copilot. So in autopilot, Blogify.ai will automatically generate and publish your blog. And then in Copilot, you design the shape of your blog. So it will give you full structure, and then you can design it accordingly. From blog title to outline to content, you'll be able to decide every step. Then writer's point of view. This is first person, second person, and third person. I would say you should select first person if you are making a video yourself. Now this is affiliate commission opt-in. This is for opt-in for affiliate commission. You could try it out if you want those affiliate commission, but I have a feeling that it's just the Blogify.ai affiliate here. Give credit to content creator if you use others' content. So if you use some other person's content and you convert it into a blog post, you could give credit to them automatically, and Blogify.ai puts that link on the bottom. Then this is blog cover. This is the thumbnail that I created for the video, and it took that image here. It will act as our featured image for the blog. Add some content images for the blog post. You can put this. This is post scheduling. This is publish after review. You can enable it if you want to. This over here, this is if you want to automatically publish it to your WordPress blog or LinkedIn or Facebook, Twitter. It even has Zapier, so you can publish it to another platform. And then generate blog. Let's generate this. So this is the blog post that it generated from that video that we gave it. And here you can see that the full blog post is here and it looks good. I'm going to edit some of this with the help of Neuron Writer. I'm going to put it on my blog, and then I will paste the link in the description so you can check the whole blog post out. One thing you will see that the name of the tool, it did not catch it right. It shouldn't be Emily, it should be Emily. So you will have to correct that. So here you can see learn how to create eye-catching email signatures using Emily's free tool. You will have to correct all the Emily's here. You'll have to correct them. It transcribed the video and then it generated the whole blog post out of that. Now on the side we have blog actions. It is copy text, copy HTML, copy PDF. You can read this. This is delete blog, edit blog. This is the source, and this is publish. It even gives us hashtags, so we can use that in our blog post. Then this is keywords. This is views and clicks. How many views we got, how many clicks we got, those things. So this is the transcription that it got from our video, and then it generated this blog post over here. This is really good. It saves a lot of your time. When you're making videos and you also want to have a blog, but you do not find time to make blogs out of your videos. So this will be very helpful for that. And you can also see that our credits are deducted. So 367 and it became 365. Now next, let me show you Neuron Writer and how I optimize this article using Neuron Writer. And this is Neuron Writer. It's also available on a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Let's make a new query here, and we need the keyword that we want to rank for. So I'm going to say email signatures. So we want to rank for email signature. We put country, United States, language English, and they have advanced settings here. Optimize content. These are all the languages that they have, Neuron Writer has, and click on start. Now here our content query is done. This says that it's a SERP difficulty of 70. So it's actually not a good keyword to rank for, but still, let's just go inside it. And you can see all of these competitors to use as a reference. So you should initially just select these green ones which are higher in content score. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to select the top 10 and update content, update competitor selection and continue. This button, click on it. Now we are on this content editor page of this keyword, email signature, and it says 0 here because I have not put anything over here. It's going to rank us based on it. So for title, we're going to type in this title that we got from here. Revamp your email signature with Emily. So we're going to take it and put it over here. I'm just going to change it to Emily. It gives us this green here because this is one we should use, email signature. At least use 2 of these here, and description as well. They give you these keywords to rank for, so you can put them in your description. You can also use AI generator inside Neuron Writer to use it like this. Now save and close. And let's copy that whole text from here and put it over here. Okay, here you can see that learn how to create eye-catching email signatures using Emailly's free tool. Introduction to Emailly. I'm just going to quickly change them all as much as I can. Actually, you could actually use AI to find all of these wrong spellings, and it's going to change those to the right spelling. So I could actually take this whole thing, copy text, and go to Claude, put this whole text over here, and I'm going to ask it to rename Emily to Emailly in this entire. Let's click on this, continue. So here you can see that in this document it's changing Emily and renaming it to Emailly, which is pretty good because you can save a lot of your time by using this type of process. And you can use Claude. Claude is much better than ChatGPT, and it did a pretty good job of changing every Emily to Emailly. Now let's just copy all of this till here and paste it in Neuron Writer. Now you would see one thing, that it did not give us a good formatted article, because if I use Claude, and it's going to just mess up the whole formatting. So you will have to just go in and change everything from here. So let's just remove this for now, and I'm going to copy that again. You could actually try with PDF file, which could be good if you take in the PDF file and you ask Claude to do it, but you will still have to edit it. And that's the problem. So let me just paste this over here and let's see how the score is. So here we have 40 score, and it says terms 39%, titles 62%, words 1966. It's not like that Blogify.ai does not have SEO optimized articles. You can see that it did take a lot of these NLP terms, but still it's better to use something like a Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer, because this Neuron Writer is in lifetime deal, so it's better that way. And if you use this, you would be able to find a lot of these NLP keywords, terms that you would otherwise not find if you don't use this type of tool. Make this score at least 91, because currently highest of all selected competitors 91. So I would say try to get the score as big as possible, and then you can save this. And now you will have an fully SEO optimized article, because we have taken it to a next level with Neuron Writer. You will have a much better SEO optimized article with this. I think I've covered everything in Blogify.ai. Now this is the pricing of Blogify.ai, and you can see that the Lite starts at 4.99 and goes all the way up to 99.99. These are all the plans that they have. I'll give the link in the description. You can check the whole pricing out. And they have annual, which just gives us a discount on the pricing. And if you go into the dashboard, you would find that they also have a lifetime deal. So this is Lite, this is basic, premium. These are very expensive, but they give you much higher credits per month. An alternative to this lifetime deal would be to just go get it from AppSumo. It's on AppSumo Select, and its starting code is $69. The pricing is going to change next month. It's going to increase, so get it while you can. And it has a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you do not like it, you can actually refund this tool within 60 days time period. And it goes all the way up to the 5 codes, which is $345. It's much less expensive compared to their own lifetime deal plans. Let's go down and check how much each provides. So here in plan 1, it has 10 blocks. Plan 2 has 25, plan 3 50, and the 5 codes provides you 100 blocks per month. But in 3 codes, I think you get Copilot blog creation, and in 5 codes you get YouTube Connect as well. And also I was talking about Neuron Writer. So this is Neuron Writer AppSumo page, and this tool is voted for AppSumo's 2023 tool of the year by the community. It's been for a long time on AppSumo, which is also good. They've been around for quite some time now, and they got a lot of reviews, like 718 reviews, which is pretty good. It starts at $89, goes all the way up to $623. Also, I'll share how I make my life easier with Blogify.ai. Instead of writing the full article myself, that consumes a lot of time thinking about each line, I would do this. Every time I make a video, I put the URL in Blogify.ai and it converts the video to blog post. Think of this as a rough draft and a helping hand to you. Now you've got to edit it and give it a human touch. Always do it with any AI writer out there. Don't copy paste it word by word. Google is now penalizing the AI articles as per what I've heard. Now I also use another tool called Neuron Writer. It's a Surfer SEO alternative. I got it on AppSumo a while back and is still going strong. Using these two tools is a killer combination for great SEO optimized articles. Alright, that's it for today's video on Blogify AI. I hope you found it informative and helpful. By using this powerful AI tool, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on what you do best, creating amazing videos and engaging with your audience. If you haven't already, make sure to check out Blogify AI. I've put the link in the description. I guarantee that it'll be a game changer for your content strategy. Oh, and are you into AI tools? I'm sure this thought must have crossed your mind. How can I find these AI tools myself? And that's where you can check out the video on the right, where I talk about 11 best websites for thousands of AI tools out there. See you there.